So this is the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. It has a 1-inch sensor, new CPU, GP3, new Enduro 2 battery, 8K 60 frames per second.
Yeah. You were alive. You came back. Yeah. It's been so long. So long.
Well, I couldn't be my best girl. Now it's you, me, and dance.
So right now I'm gonna do a fast unboxing video.
What the shit?
Where's my GoPro? So these are the accessories that are within the box: a charge line, a screw, and these to stick to your helmet. And this is the Mission 1 Pro. The first thing I want to say is the mounting way. The Mission 1 Pro, just like the Hero 13, they have 3 ways. So one first, traditional GoPro way to manage the magnetic just like this. Let's talk about the accessories. The GoPro 13, the side door can be shared in the new Mission 1 Pro. I don't know if the waterproof function, but you can just replace it. And this one, they have a, you can charge it. So you don't just put it, and then it's charging right now. You know what? I'm not gonna shoot this video in this room. I'm gonna shoot it outside. So before I consume my filming, I'm gonna eat 3 巧乐兹, which I just bought from there. I'm gonna try it in 1 bite. It seems impossible. Too cold. So right now the both cameras are set by nature color, which, well, if you look at the front screen, the Mission 1 Pro looks more soft and a little bit more yellow. Well, the other thing that I want to talk about is the back screen. Even the new Mission 1 Pro has the OLED panel, but it looks, I think it is not even look better than the LCD panel. I don't know why. Well, it just don't feel right. At 4K resolution, the GoPro 13 has no big differences with the Mission 1 Pro, but the GoPro 13 is a little bit warm. And at 4K and 8K resolution, the 8K image quality is better than 4K, but not too much. In the anti-glare test, I think the GoPro 13 performs a little bit better. The battery capacity on the Hero 13 is 1900 milliamp hours, while the Mission 1 Pro has a new Indoor 2 battery, so it has 2150 milliamp hours, which is 13% improvement of the capacity. But the actual runtime of the camera, if you filming on 4K 50p, it's gonna be 30% more. And if you shoot on 1080p, it's gonna be double to 3 times than the 13 version. So it's really a big improvement. Well, people like me, if you don't shoot too much, one battery is already enough to you. Speak of the stabilization, I think both cameras works perfectly during the daytime, but in the night, the GoPro Mission 1 definitely the winner. As for the audio, I think both cameras works well if there's no wind, but if you're running a bag, then you're probably gonna need another mic. As for the audio, I think both cameras works well if there's no wind, but if you're running a bag, then you're probably gonna need another mic. As for the audio, I think both cameras works well if there's no wind, but if you're running a bag, then you're probably gonna need another mic. And there's also another thing that I want to talk about is the file size. The GoPro Hero 13 offers 2 options, the standard bitrate and the high bitrate, while the new Mission 1 Pro has 3 options. The Max offers 230 Mbps, which is very good to filmmakers if they want more details. So this is log 1 and this is log 2. GoPro released a LUT generator for C-Log2, which I have downloaded many LUTs, but I think the CP-Log1 is better than the CP-Log2 for now. I don't know, maybe we need a firmware update. In the low light test, the GoPro 13, the sky is full of noise and also the trees. But in the Mission 1 Pro, it performs much better. So with the 1-inch sensor. Well, there's also one thing that I want to say about this new product, the GPS signal. The GPS signal on the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is much better than that on the Hero 13 Black. Even indoors, the GPS still works, which is really a surprise to me. So the GoPro Mission 1 Pro has the best night performance in the GoPro family, and it's the only one 8K 60 frames camera that you can buy in the market. So I think if you want to purchase a camera that from daytime to the night, then the GoPro Mission 1 Pro definitely a good option for you. So that's all that I want to say about this new product. So what are you waiting for? Just grab your GoPro and be a hero.